In this video, I'll show you how to change the version of a Canvas app while authoring a Canvas app. Now, there are scenarios whereby you may need to change the authoring version of a Canvas app if you have built the app in a older version just for compatibility purposes. Now, Canvas app by default, when you change the version, it will not show you the oldest version that are available in the authoring interface. Now you may able to select the last 4 or 5 versions in the Canvas app while authoring the Canvas app. Now I'll show you how to first extract the information and then change the authoring version to the desired version. Now for that, first let me open the Power App. So I'm in make.powerapps.com. Now here I'm like I have built some Canvas app. Like so, this let's take this example, Planet Canvas app. So if I click on Edit over here, it will take me to that authoring interface for that Canvas app. Now in order to understand the behavior of this particular Canvas app, I will show you by opening the settings area. Now in the settings area, there is an option for you to change the authoring interface. Now authoring interface version basically involves like multiple versions, and then you can select a specific version and then you can start authoring the solution on it. Now the authoring version which has been listed in the Canvas app has different set of features functionalities enabled. Now if you are in a model driven app, you can click on settings over here, or you can navigate from here, click on settings, and then under support you will see something called as the authoring version. Now this app is authored using 3.25032.4. Now if I click on edit, there are options which are available for you to select. Now 3.250 4.7 to 3.6 to 2.11. Now the highest one is 32.4, 32.4. Now I have an option, I can select this, but I only get limited option to select from here. Okay. Now what if I want to go into the previous version which I have authored in, or maybe like that's the version which I need to pick, but those are not available in the list over here. Now how do we get into that authoring version list? So first, what you need to do is just find out what is that URL. So you just type in make.powerapps.com slash and type in canvas debug. The moment you type in this, you will be presented with a JSON information. Now this is a whole bunch of list of JSON. Now in order to read this, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this JSON and open a JSON grid editor, like JSON grid desktop. This is a Windows 11 app. So I'm just going to paste that JSON directly. Now remember, when you paste this JSON, this is not a well-formed JSON because you have some text over here. So make sure that you remove the text so that it's a well-formed JSON. Once you get this JSON, just click here and then it will show you this information in a nice grid interface. Now preferred version, so this is the first one, is the preferred version 3.25032.4. This is the preferred version frequent, preferred version moderate, and then you have authoring services info and packaging services info. So if I click on authoring services info, I have got version info. Click on version info, then you again get the same list of preferred version. Then you go into service version to see the commit ID and the version, and then you have supported client version. Now supported client version, this is important. Now if I expand this, I can see there are 53 different types of versions I can select. Now let me expand this, show table in full. Now this is the commit ID, this is the commit date, this is the build label, build ID, build config, build platform. And if you scroll here, you will see the Power Apps client version. So this is the one which the current application is in, but you can revert back to the old version as well. So if you scroll down, you will see some correspondence over here. Now this is the version for the build was deployed on the 8th March 2025. Now if you want to go back to the previous version like 8th Feb, you can just type in this version name, right? But this version is not available. Like how do we go and go into this version? So I'll show you that. Like let me pick up some old value, let me go back till 15th November 2025. So let's assume that I want to pick up this version. So it's easy. What you need to do is like you just need to copy this. So I'll just control C. So I'll just copy this 3.24112. Now, if I want to select that in my Canvas app, let me minimize this. Yeah. So here you don't see that version, right? The version which I'm currently referring is 3.24. So you don't see any 3.24 over here. So let me show you here 3.24. So let me copy this 3.24112. Now I cannot put that value over here in this interface. Now if I want to get into that version, what I need to do is just go into that same, copy that same URL. Now this is that authoring interface URL. Just paste this URL and then put a query string ampersand and put studio dash version equal to, and then paste the value. So let me paste the correct value. The correct value is V324112. Now this is that version. Let me press enter. Now it won't allow me to edit. It will ask me to override because I've already opened the app in another tab. So it will give me that interface to put it in read only mode. And I have a button with an override. So if I click on override, I should be able to use the version 3.24112.9.315. So let me press enter, and then I should be able to get into that versions. Now similarly, if I go into say any other version, so let me go back into pick up say maybe 8th Feb, same process, just copy this and then paste this over here, ampersand studio hyphen version equal to, and then you paste that value, and then it will start loading that application. If you want to go into any other version, you can just pick up any version, but the important thing to note over here is like you need to pick up some date. Like if you know that, oh, you have authored during like the Feb 2025, and you know that this is that build, just pick up that value, and then it will allow you to open that authoring interface. So let me show you that. So if I'm picking up v 3.25021.9.32356, it will load that interface. Now let me show you the current application version. The current application version is 3.25032.4, and I have an option to select, that's a recommended version. But if I go over here, now this one, as you see, this is in read only mode. So let me click on got it, and now I won't override. Let me click on settings over here, go to support, and if you see this version 3.25021.9. Now this version is the one which we selected just now. So this is coming from here. And if you click on edit, there are other options which you can select, but the goal of this exercise was just to show you how to change the authoring version to the older version, which are missing from the drop down list. So what we did first is we have navigated to make.powerapps.com/canvas debug, which has given us this complete JSON. We just copied this JSON, put it in JSON grid desktop, and then from here we just went into supported client version node, and then from there we picked up whatever version we want, and then we appended into the Canvas app URL with a query string as studio hyphen version. And then once you do that, you will be navigated to that particular version. Now again, if I change from here different version, it will allow me to do that, and then I have an option now here to just say override, and then once you override, you can go ahead and make the changes in the desired version. So that's it, folks. This is how you basically change the authoring version interface in Microsoft Power Apps Canvas app. Thanks for watching.